Are you hungry? Bored? How do you give yourself a high five? Watch the end of the video now to find the answers. Hello guys, چطورین؟ Welcome to Reyhoon Paz, the worshipful, delicious, hearty phenomenon. The most desirable invention of human race. The wildest, most ambitious creation of the deepest hard-coded instincts. Snacking! Chicken snack to be specific. Ingredients for chicken snack. Bread, medium onion, cold cut, cheddar cheese, red pepper, black pepper, Aleppo pepper, cinnamon powder, curry, turmeric, salt, chopped chicken fillets, fresh parsley, chop the onion, fry the onion, add the spices to the onion. Add chopped chicken fillets. Add a little water to the pan. Put its lid on and let it cook. Pick 2 pieces of bread and apply some ketchup. Cut a layer of cheddar cheese, then add a layer of cold cut and chicken fillet. Add some parsley, 1 more layer of cold cuts and cheddar cheese. Since you liked this video, give it thumbs up so others can enjoy it too. Put the snacks in a sandwich maker or grill pan. If you're into chicken foods or combination of chicken and bread, check out these 2 videos too. Enjoy your snacks!